In this video, I want to walk you through step-by-step how to review supplements on Amazon for the Amazon Influencer Program. This is one of the best categories to do product reviews in because of how constant and frequently people purchase these protein powders, supplements, and I actually just ordered these today. I'm going to do a quick demonstration with these. I've also reviewed tons of protein brands, flavors over the years, and I've seen a lot of success from them. I didn't see it originally, but over time I saw that my commissions constantly earned from these videos because people are constantly and rebuying these products. So I want to walk you through how to review supplements correctly, okay? A few best practices on what to say, what to show, etc. And then lastly, how you can go on Amazon and look at all the products at once and be able to detect which product listings have the most or least amount of videos, because that's going to determine your earning potential. Also, my name is Mark, brand new channel. Hit the like button and subscribe, and get a link down below to my Amazon Influencer Cheat Code Guide, where there's a link for my community group inside that you can join. First off, I want to explain why supplements are some of the best products to review. One thing is they're constantly purchased, they're repurchased, time and time again, okay, all throughout the year. But also these brands are constantly putting out new flavors, new twists, okay? And so if you get your hands on a variation of a product and review it first and foremost before, the masses review it, then your video is going to sit at the top of the product carousel much more often and much more frequently than other videos. Supplements are some of the few products that are purchased in the hundreds of thousands on Amazon. And the name of the game with the Amazon Influencer Program and earning commissions is how often does someone watch your video? Okay. How often are they going to purchase the product after they watch your video? And then how long are they going to be watching your video for? So honestly, the key to a really good product review video for supplements is, one, talk from firsthand experience. You don't need to be a complete expert. If you want to be an incredible expert, use ChatGPT. But I've found that the more genuine and honest I am talking from real world experience, I wouldn't say that it necessarily just like sells everyone, but it keeps the customer engaged. Like they watch longer because it's a sincere testimonial, okay, of what I liked about this creatine powder, the benefits I saw from it, and why I personally would recommend for it. A great framework is why I purchased this product, why I love it, and the benefits I saw from it, and why I would recommend it to others, okay? Just by doing those three things, you're gonna have your video sit at the top, about 95% majority over others, all right? The next thing is you wanna explain the serving sizes, okay? That's a huge thing, especially because some brands have a very expensive serving size. So some brands, a typical supplement brand is about 30 to 60 servings. And sometimes that price point can vary dramatically between $1 and $5. And people who are going to be watching your review videos are not most of the time, but a good chance that they're going to be a beginner. And so by you demonstrating and explaining, okay, the serving sizes, how to correctly get the right portion, how to mix it, drink it, etc., how to shake it, you would be shocked of how many more people watch your video. The more people that watch your video, the more often Amazon's going to recommend it to others. You're going to earn a lot more commission from that one product review video. And to go along with that, one thing I like to do is create a 1 to 2 minute video for this supplement, a 1 to 2 minute video for this supplement. They're individual products. And then I create a combo video of the two. So I have 3 videos. I'm repurposing these product review videos to increase my earning potential. That's just a side note. I'm going to leave down below in the video description a few supplement protein brands that I've reviewed in the past, just to give you a little bit more context. And the very last thing I use is a tool called Review Pro. It's an extension that you can download and install. And when you go on Amazon, it's going to show you for every product that you see, how many review videos are already on that product page, how often people are purchasing it, the revenue for the last 30 days. And you're going to be able to see, wow, this product has a lot of demand and low competition in terms of review videos. And so the chances of my video being seen are 10 times more likely. This is really the difference between earning $5 over the course of 3 months for one review video compared to earning about maybe $200 to $300, okay, just with one 2-minute video. So I have a separate tutorial on how to use this tool correctly. I will leave a link down below in the video description. 14-day free trial to Review Pro. But the more you use it, the more you're going to gain awareness on what products to review and which ones to not review. I hope that was helpful. I'm going to leave, like I said, a few example videos down below of supplements that I reviewed in the past. If you'd like a little bit more help, feel free to join my new Amazon Influencer community group page down below in the video description, and I will see you there.